follow, because in real estate there's many different strategies that you can take. There's the burst strategy. There's flipping, which didn't really work for us. There's private lending, which worked for me, and others as well. There is buy and hold, just buy it, hold it, keep it, wait. There's even house hacking. So let's say you know what, you need to live in the house. You can't, wherever you're staying is not favorable, so you need to live in the house, live in one room, rent out the other room, right? I've done a little house hacking. I bought my place, rented it to my brother for a little bit.
I've done that my principal resident too.
And you started out that way as well. Other people may rent out all the rooms, basements included, so maybe live at the top floor, rent out the basement. I've even heard people live in the basement, own the property, and rent out upstairs because they would get more money.
I would have done that if I didn't have a family, or
you would,
I rent the bigger space, get more money.
To get more money, and you technically live for free that way, right? So there's that